Hello, this is a tutorial for building airlocks in Space Engineers. So let's get right into it. This is my base, and here's the problem. When I'm inside, close it up, fill it up with air. It's low, now it's high. I can take my helmet off. There we go. Helmet's off, and I'm okay to go. But when I want to leave, all this air rushes out and I've lost it all that oxygen. What a waste. So what I need is an airlock. It's going to keep the oxygen in but allow me to pass out. But stay awake, of course. Stay conscious. Let's go. So, I'm going to make it the same color as base. Actually, yep, we'll make it the same color. The design of this airlock is to be as small as possible, but still be functional. So, to make it as small as I can, most efficient use of materials. It's only going to be about this wide.
Energy low.
That's okay. Yes, that's the width I want it. I've got an energy problem. I'll deal with that in a second. This is going to be the front door. Whoop, there we go. And we need a system for getting the air in, so we need a conveyor right here. We don't have. All we need is a little bit. That's enough. A conveyor right here. And we also need some control panels so we can operate it. One on the outside, one on the inside, and there's already one inside here. So let's weld this stuff up. Matter of getting all the right materials. And so I'm going to weld this up and fix my energy problem. So I'll be back in a second. And through the magic of editing, here I am, back. Oh, here we go. So we've built this. It's 5 wide, but the inside is 3. And it's like 2, depth of 2, but the inside bit is just 1 depth. So now we need the actual major component of the airlock, the air vent. There we go. Air vent. Some computers in Metal Grid. I don't know. So now we've got this conveyor. Now it's connected up the air vent, but this is not connected up to the oxygen supply. So that's my next job. Connect this up with oxygen. So the conveyor is through here. So it's a matter of hooking this up. There we go. Conveyor. Small tubes and motors. We'll fix all that up. Anyway, so then we need to connect it up the rest of the air supply. Go up. Okay. Now we're hooked up to the air supply. Now we can put a cap on this thing to make it airtight. Okay, so all the major components are in place. We're gonna just want to fix up one little bit. I'll put some lights in this place. Just up on the ceiling. Double light. Corner double light. About 5 meter radiuses seems to be good. I like to make it a bit orangey. About there. And it stands out. Now, I want to make this fairly automated. So just got to press one button and it's going to do everything for us without having to really think about things. So to do that, I need some timer blocks. In fact, I need 4 of them. Now, I'm going to build them out here so you can see their operation, but usually I'd build them, I'll tuck them away somewhere inside where they can't be seen. Construction components and computers. Okay, now everything is built. Now it's a matter of programming everything in so it all works together. So I'm going to create these two. This is going to be my O2 system, number 1. And this one's going to be O2 system number 2. This is going to be the vacuum number 1 and vacuum number 2. Okay, the second timer in each that needs to have a delay. The first timer in each doesn't need a delay. We just need to trigger a number of different objects at once. So, but because they're doing different things, you can't just group them. So this one, number 2, is going to time to 5 seconds delay, and this one, number 2 for vacuum, is also going to be 5-second delay. Now we're going to think about what's happening. We've got this door here. the sliding door. So we're going to name this the air vent. We'll name it it's the air vent for the airlock. We've got two doors. That's the interior door, and name that interior door, and the sliding door is the exterior. So we're clear about which door is getting triggered when. So here's the technical details. Okay, I'm going to set up, this is O2, so this is going to fill the airlock with oxygen. So the first thing we want to do is want to close the exterior door. Then want to pump oxygen in, so it's depressurize, off. And then we want to start the timer. O22, start. Now O22, all it's got to do, after the 5-second delay, all it's got to do is open the interior door. Now, vacuum block 2, this is coming out. So we're inside, coming out. So what we've got to do is close the interior door, suck the oxygen out, so it's depressurize on, and start the vacuum timer 2. Start. Then vacuum timer 2, all it has to do is open the exterior door. So now we can lock, include all the buttons in here. So action number 2 and number 4, we're going to start. This is going to be the vacuum. So this is going to vacuum the inside. I'm just going to trigger now, and this is going to be O2. Trigger now, so we can see what's happening. We'll get into that later. Now this is when you're inside. Now when you're going back this way, I want to fill this with oxygen, so I'm going this way. Number 4 is going to be the oxygen. When I'm going back out this way, I want to vacuum, so number 1 is going to be the vacuum. So you don't have to think about this button gets you in, this button gets you out. So button number 4 is going to be O2 trigger, the oxygen trigger, and this is going to be the vacuum trigger going out. And inside here, we're going to have an O2 trigger. I'll explain why all that is once we see how it all works. Okay. So now we've got our button set up. I'm going to stand out here, and we're going to watch the timers go. So first of all, we're going to trigger the oxygen. This is timer block oxygen. Closes the exterior door, fills up with oxygen. Timer's ticking away. It's done its job. There's oxygen in there now. I'm hoping. So let's reverse that. Let's take the vacuum out. Timer block's on. And no rush of air. So we're going in, we'll hit that button, wait 5 seconds as we fill up, then this opens, and we're in. And going back out, we just hit this button, we close, sucks the oxygen out, opens the exterior door, and we're out. Now sometimes you end up being out here, and it's all closed up, and you want to get on the inside, there's a little bit of rush. Anyway, sometimes you're out here because you've got it outside of your base some other way, not using the airlock. So you want to get back in, so you've got to have a vacuum trigger on the outside. Because sometimes you just end up outside, not going through the airlock. Then you come in. Now, sometimes you find yourself on the inside. We'll run this one. Where do we start? That's okay. Sometimes you may have died and you get resurrected at your med room, and you might be inside, but the airlock is closed. It's got a vacuum in there, so you need an O2 trigger on the inside so you can get back outside. And there we go. And now I can get out. And we're out. It's all automated. All you got to do is press one button and you can get out. One button you can get in. Thanks for watching.